When it comes to choosing your first polisher from our BigFoot lineup, the Duetto, the 15ES, and the Mille are all great options for beginners at a reasonable price point. Let's start with the BigFoot Duetto. It's got a compact design, but with a strong 12mm orbit, giving you more correction power while still feeling easy to handle. The LHR 15ES is a reliable choice for quick and effective defect removal with a full body style polisher. It features an incredibly fast 15mm orbit and a versatile 5-inch pad diameter, making it ideal for working on curves and contours. And finally, there's the BigFoot Mille, our most powerful tool in the lineup. It features a gear-driven orbital movement, making it less technique dependent and easier for beginners to use. With its enhanced cutting power and smooth operation, it's a fantastic option for those just starting out on their polishing journey. So whether you go for the compact and safe Duetto, the professional grade ES 15mm, or the powerful and user-friendly Mille, you can't go wrong. Each one offers unique benefits and performance, making them great choices for beginners diving into the world of paint polishing.